gearbox oil, automatic DSG. So you need to open down this screw and they go out oil. Have to go out little oil, about half 1 liter. Then you have inside this pin. So then open this and they go more oil. When they go out, then you put back this, and then you need special pump and special tools for the pump to can put inside and wait to go on 45 degrees. Oil when it's full, then you heat. So we need this pump and these tools. So I don't know, I think it's this one, but I'm gonna check and put it inside. Okay, that's it. So, but first don't forget to put back this inside the gearbox.